If you're running a self-managed HOA, you already know the drill. Homeowner requests come in by text, dues go to voicemail, vendor follow-ups pile up in your inbox, and board decisions get buried in a group chat. Zorex puts everything in one place. Residents submit requests directly from their portal. No emails, no phone calls. The moment it lands, your board can see it, assign it, and start working on it. No more wondering if someone got the message. This is the Board Action Center, a structured work queue built specifically for HOA boards. Every item has a clear owner, a due date, and a risk score, so you always know what needs attention first. One click to claim it. Done. When a request needs a contractor, convert it to a work order in seconds. Zorex notifies the vendor, logs when they acknowledge the job, and tracks every status change, all in one timeline. No more chasing emails to find out if someone actually showed up. On the financial side, send dues invoices, collect payments online, and let Zorex track who's behind. Residents pay directly from their portal with a card, and if dues go unpaid, the collections dashboard shows you exactly where every case stands, which stage it's at, who owns it, and how long it's been open. Governing documents, meeting minutes, approved budgets, all in one searchable library. Post an announcement and it goes out by email and shows up in every resident's inbox automatically. Everyone stays informed, no separate newsletter tool required. Zorex gives self-managed HOAs one place to handle everything, so boards spend less time on admin and more time making their community better.